Hi everyone. Today's topic is hashtag. In this video, you will understand how hashtag make your images or videos more discoverable. Make sure you watch this video till the end. At the end of this video, I will explain most important way of finding hashtags for your account. With hashtag, you can make it easier for people who don't follow you on Instagram to find your content by using hashtag. Instagram hashtag can help you grow your reach, get more engagement and attract more followers if you are using correct hashtags. But to be successful with hashtag, you need to be strategic about what hashtag you use and when you use them. So let's start with how you can use or how you can find the best hashtag for your account. So here are some ways to find out hashtags for your account. First point or first step is don't use irrelevant or repetitive hashtags. So it might be tempting to simply repeat the same long list of hashtags on each post, but I will suggest don't repeat your hashtags. Instagram community guidelines clearly says that posting repeated comments or content is not good. If you take the same hashtags for all posts, your content will be penalized by Instagram's algorithm. Use only those hashtags that make sense for your post. Hashtags are not about getting seen by a lot of viewers. It's about getting seen by the right people. So that's how hashtags drive to greater engagement and more followers. Select and keep the right hashtags for each post separately. Second point is use insights to see which tags work best. So an Instagram business profile will give access to check post insights that tell you how many impressions you receive from hashtags. You can check your every or each post insights by using these steps. First, select the post you want to check the update on and tap View Insights below the post on the left side. Second, swipe up to see all the insights for the post, including the number of impressions from hashtags. This information helps you figure out which hashtags are most effective for improving reach. Third point is keep your captions clean of hashtags. It means Instagram allowed to add up to 30 hashtags for each post. It can surely be tempting to use them all. After all, everyone thinks more hashtags mean a higher reach. But if you will use all 30 hashtags in your post caption, it can look messy and even a bit spammy. You can use this easy way to fix this. Just post your hashtags in the first comment rather than the caption. Third point is avoid using banned hashtags on Instagram. Banned hashtags have been flagged and disabled by Instagram for actively breaking the community guidelines, making them completely useless for your brand exposure. Using banned hashtag can cause a drop in engagement as your use of legitimate hashtags might also become less effective because you could be dropped in the algorithm. The only way to know if a hashtag is banned is to check it before you use it. This is a good practice to put in place every time you add a new hashtags. Using banned hashtags doesn't mean that you can not use it at all. Instead, it means that you click on the tag, you will only see top post, you won't see recent post, and there won't be any stories associated with the hashtags. Now, how to check ban hashtags on Instagram? First step is search the hashtag on Instagram that you are using and you want to check that this hashtag is banned or not. Then enter a hashtag in the search bar, tap tags and click the search button. Here I am using always as a keyword. Then third point is click on the hashtag you are looking up, like I am looking for always. Then next step is, if you see a message that will be like recent posts from always are currently hidden, then this is your banned has. It means then these are banned hashtags. Now, the last one. This point is very important for creating hashtags for your account. Like, prepare a set of hashtags according to your page. While selecting hashtags, you need to very clear on hashtag search volume. If your account is a new with 300 to 500 followers, try to select hashtags with 100k to 1 million volume. It will be easy for your account to get ranked on those hashtags comparatively high volume hashtags. For example, if you are a singer and your page is related to the music, you are posting cover songs on your page. You just search in the search bar your hashtags by typing singer and tap on tags. Then related hashtags will open. Here singer hashtags volume is 6 million. So don't use this tag. You should select hashtags with 100k to 1 million volume. Like you can select singers or singers of Instagram, or you can select singer life, like that. Just with the same method you can select or you can search cover songs, Bollywood cover songs, Hollywood cover songs, like that. But make sure to select hashtags with 100k to 1 million volume. With this method, you can create your own set of hashtags. I would suggest preparing 100 to 200 hashtags and divide into a set of 24 hashtags to 25 hashtags or 26, but never use 30 hashtags. Now, you can select any set of your hashtags according to your video or post. Now, if this video does help you to find out your best hashtags according to your account, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.